So I was having trouble with my 40 volt Kobalt chainsaw. This thing's about 7 years old. So I've been looking online, trying to find some repair information, and it ends up there's a recall on this unit. So the trouble I was having is it wouldn't oil, and I looked for all sorts of do-it-yourself information, couldn't find anything. But I wanted to show you that if you have a model KCS 12007, item number 796790, that was made, I think, somewhere between 2017, 2021. There's an active recall on this thing, and all you got to do is give them a call, and they'll send you a brand new chainsaw. So the new saw is at my shop, but I just wanted to assure you that you know, they sent me a new saw. Now they will verify all the information, the date, the serial number. They also wanted to verify the battery date, serial number, and the charger date and serial number. And I'm fortunate that I still have mine, even though the battery doesn't work anymore. But once I went through that process, they sent me a brand new 40 volt chainsaw. It's still not the best chainsaw in the world, but the new one works a whole lot better than the old one.